Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you create your Snapchat account freely and how you verified your Snapchat account with your phone number and with your temporary email. Okay, so what do you need to do? If you are very new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all you need to click on sign up. Okay, so I request you, please try to watch full video till the end. Please don't skip this video. Okay, so first you need to put your name. Suppose I put my name is Adam, my last name is Beer. Then click on sign up and accept. My birth date is, okay, so this is my Snapchat username. Try to remember. Okay, then click on continue, then password. Then you need to put your password and make sure remember this password as long as you want to use this Snapchat account. Okay, so now you need to put your email address. This is my temporary email address. Okay, so I need to create another one. Okay, this is my temporary email address. I just copy and I'll paste here. Okay, then click on continue. Try to watch full video, and if you like this video, please like this video. And my country is Canada, and my phone number is 1438 38 800 1008. Then I click on continue here. Okay, so Snapchat team, they send me one confirmation code via my phone number. So this this code number I just put it here. So Snapchat code number is 506257 506257. Okay, then click on continue. Okay, continue. Okay, so I already create one Snapchat account. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on here, then click on settings. You can see my phone number is already verified. So I just show you here. You can see my phone number is verified already. Then but my email address is not yet verified. So what I need to do, I just click on my email, then I click on verify here, verify. So Snapchat team already sent me one verification code via my email address, so I need to check my email. Okay, you can see Snapchat team already sent me email confirm email address. So what I need to do, I just click on open here, then confirm my email, and confirm my email. You can see email address successfully verified. So I just come back to my Snapchat. Okay, can see here, my phone number is verified and my email address is already verified. Okay, so now you can use this Snapchat as long as you want. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for new update about Snapchat, about Skype, Instagram, Telegram. If you face any problem about login, or if you want to learn about any CPA marketing, then please subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Okay, so this is tutorial, so later I'll make another video about how you send Snapchat picture. Then I'll make another video about how you send picture as a snap from your YouTube channel. Okay, so try to watch full video. So see you on